Hello everyone, Jason Meyer here with an overview of our Patron program. We think that life, in all its facets, is better with beauty. Beauty can lift the spirit and rejuvenate the soul. Increasing our appreciation of art is a way to expand our capacity for a richer life experience. The Patron program is designed to inspire and rejuvenate you with the beauty of art. Art takes us out on a sea full of motion and activity. It can also show us the overwhelming silence of that same sea. Or take us to the overlook where we can see the world disappear in the distance, enveloped by atmosphere. We will look at master paintings. I will share some of my inspiration from fun portraits of Isabella to quiet coastal sunsets. Once you begin to look, you might be surprised at just how little is needed to create beauty and how abundant it is. From the corner of the studio to the edge of the stage, it can be found everywhere. We share snippets of our journey creating art, capturing the beauty around us. It's not a straight line from A to B. It is a twisting and turning trail that takes us from lilacs in the studio to the many moods of the light and sky over water. It is awe-inspiring how a different point of view and a different time can drastically alter the feeling of a scene. The same location can be an unending source of beauty and inspiration. The Patron program is your monthly dose of art. It's a great way to increase your capacity to see and enjoy beauty. Although drawings and paintings are nothing more than marks on a surface, a master artist can take us to the depths of humanity with those marks, or take us to a place where land and spirit are unified. To explore and bask in the beauty of art with us, join the Patron program. Our journey awaits.